Hello, this is part 2 of the Dapol Class 68 Astute. My DCC controller is now working, so we can do some sound testing. This is Olivia's sound as supplied by Hattons. As you can hear, the sound is quite pleasing. There's a high-pitched whining noise when the loco is actually moving. I'm not sure whether that's something to do with the microphone. I doubt it. But it does seem to be affecting the sound. I would like to get the bass reflex speaker installed, which I'll do at a later date. But overall, the model is quite pleasing, and I'm certainly glad I got the second batch of these Dapols. It really is a lovely loco. I can highly recommend it.